Hello student, Hemal Sir is here. So now we will continue with the next part of our chapter called similarity. In previous video we have already seen about how to identify the ratio of area of two different triangles. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss about to identify the two pair of triangles of parallelogram which is given in our question, okay, on the basis of their areas. So we have the parallelogram ABCD. What are parallelogram? These two opposite sides are parallel to each other. Then such quadrilateral is called as parallelogram. Parallelogram. Then we have P is any point on side BC. Here we have point P on the segment or line BC. Then find two pair of triangles. See, we have to identify two pair. दो जोड़े हमको आइडेंटिफाई करना है यहाँ पर. That means four triangles. Okay, with equal area, जिनका एरिया क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा. So first we have to understand कि अगर किसी दो ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया अगर इक्वल करना है या इक्वल अगर आइडेंटिफाई करना है, so how? Okay, so we know the formula for triangles. Area of triangle is half, or we can write area of triangle is half into base into height. ओके, अब हमको दो ऐसे एरिया दो ऐसे ट्राइंगल जिनका एरिया सेम होना चाहिए. सो उसके लिए कंडीशन क्या होगी कि उनके बेस सेम होना चाहिए और उनकी हाइट सेम होनी चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? उनकी हाइट सेम होनी चाहिए, कॉमन होनी चाहिए, एंड उनका जो बेस है वो भी सेम होना चाहिए. सो इन दिस पैरेललोग्राम देयर आर मेनी ट्राइंगल्स व्हिच आर फॉर्म. लाइक वी हैव ट्राइंगल ए बी पी, we have triangle ABC, we have another triangle we have BDC, next triangle we have APD, and another triangle we have ADC. So there are four triangles, more than four triangles we have, like we have APC, but we do not have to prove that. We have to only identify two pair of triangles which have equal area. Okay, so for having equal area, their base must be common and their height must be same. Then we can say both pair or both triangle have similar area. Okay, so in first pair, so we know in quadrilateral ABCD, or we can write the quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. That means the distance between two parallel sides is always same. That means we can say height is AD for all the triangles which are formed here have the same height. Okay, so we have to identify the two pair of triangles. So first pair of triangle. Okay, so we do not have required of this formula, that's why we have to erase it now. So we are taking triangle ABC. First pair is triangle ABC. See this triangle A, B and C, and another triangle BDC and triangle BDC. This triangle BDC. See, both the triangle having same base, that is BC. So triangle ABC and BDC have same base. Which is the same base? Common base BC. We can say same base or common base. Common base or same, or we can say common base only. Okay, so common base है and of this triangle, both the triangle will be D, and here we have to write any point like A, B, C, P, say S. Say S. So DS will be the height and DS is the common height. Common height. See, here we have the two different triangles having common base and common height. So अभी हमने फॉर्मूले में देखा था कि अगर कोई दो ट्राइंगल है ना, दैट मीन्स उनका पेयर, अगर उनका हाइट एंड बेस अगर कॉमन है, दैट मीन्स उनका जो एरिया होगा वो कैसा होगा, सेम होगा. देयरफॉर कॉमन बेस, देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC is equals to area of triangle BDC. BDC. Okay. So this is the first pair of triangle which have equal area. Okay. So again we have to rewind. The triangle ABC and BDC have the common base and DS is the common height. Therefore they have same area. Okay, see here, therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle BDC. Okay, so now this is the first, so now we have to solve or we have to check the second pair of triangle which have similar area. So you have to write with same area. Here with same area. So second pair we have to identify. Second pair of triangle we have to identify. See, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, it is B, huh? In triangle ABD and in triangle, another triangle, it is ABD and ACD. This one ACD, and triangle ACD both have let AD is the base. अगर AD base है, so for triangle ABD this is the base, and for triangle ACD, it is triangle ACD, both have the common side which is AD, and AD is the base. Both have common base, that is AD, and height for both the triangle will be DS again. Okay, and height for both the triangle is DS, which is common for both triangle, which is common. Therefore अब यहां पर फिर से हम देख रहे हैं फॉर ट्राइंगल ABD एंड फॉर ट्राइंगल ACD दे हैव कॉमन बेस, दोनों का बेस क्या है, कॉमन है, एंड हैव द हाइट फॉर बोथ ट्राइंगल इज अगेन कॉमन, सो हाइट इज आल्सो कॉमन. दैट मीन्स दिस pair of the triangle which have equal area. Therefore we can write as, therefore area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ACD, ACD. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is the second pair and this is the first pair. The second pair and this is the first pair. So here we had two pair of triangle which have equal area. Okay, so I hope you have understood this part very well. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया so please do repeat this video, you will get easily. Okay, so this is really very important part. Okay, so write down now. So students, now we are going to solve the fourth example which is given in your textbook page number 5, and it is really very important as the exam point of view. Okay, so do concentrate seriously. Okay, so example 4 says, in adjoining figure, see here there are so many triangles you can see. Here you can say, so you can see there are many triangles. Okay, so in adjoining figure, in triangle ABC, here we have triangle A, B and C. The point D is on side AC. We have the point D on side AC, where AC is 16 centimeter. So it is given, we know AC equals to 16 unit. Centimeter मैंने दिया है, so we have to say 16 unit. And DC is 9 unit. So AC is 16 and DC is 9 unit. Therefore we have to identify AD now. Okay, so we know AC equals to, see, AC equals to, we can write AD plus DC, that means AC. Therefore AC equals to AD plus DC. But we have AC equals to 16, so we have to write 16 here, equals to AD is not given, that means we have to find AD, plus DC is of 9. So we have to identify AD. So in order to identify AD, we have to transfer this 9 to another side. So we can write AD equals to 16 minus 9. So AD equals to 16 minus 9 is 7. So we have AD equals to 7, AC equals to 16 and DC equals to 9, because these values are going to use in our triangle. So we have to identify the ratio of these pair of triangles. So first one we have area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle ABC, this ABC. Okay, so what is the formula of area of triangle? It is half into base. So ABD, triangle ABD, ये वाला ट्रायंगल की बात कर रहा है. तो इसके लिए बेस क्या हो जाएगा? बेस इज AD एंड हाइट क्या हो जाएगी? BD. सो वी हैव टू राइट AD इंटू BD. सी, बेस इंटू हाइट, हाइट इज BP, BP, because it is perpendicular. So if it is perpendicular, that means for all triangle BP will be the height. So we know half into base into height, divide by, again for triangle ABC half into, for triangle ABC AC will be base, so AC is base into height will be again BP, BP will be height. So BP and BP will get cancelled, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 will also get cancelled. So what is AD? AD is of 7 unit. So we write 7 divided by AC. AC is 16. So this is the answer. So the ratio of triangle ABD to the area of triangle ABC is 7 divided by 16. Okay. So this is the first answer. Okay. Now for second one. Second says area of triangle BDC. Triangle BDC divided by area of triangle ABC. ABC equals to, again we have half into, for triangle BDC, the triangle BDC, base will be DC and height will be BP. So DC into height is BP divided by, for triangle ABC, half into, for ABC we have AC into BP, AC into BP. So again BP and BP will get cancelled, half and half will get cancelled. So what is DC? DC is of 9. So we have to write 9 divided by AC is 16. So AC is 16. So we got the second answer also. So this is the ratio 9:16 is the ratio for triangle triangle BDC to the area of triangle ABC. Now third one. Third one we have to solve. What is third one? Area of triangle ABD. ABD divided by area of triangle BDC. BDC equals to, again half into, for triangle ABD. Triangle ABD, base will be AD. AD is base into height is BP. For all triangle, BP will be height. Divide by half into, for triangle BDC. For triangle BDC, DC will be the base. So we have to write DC into height will be BP. So again BP and BP will get cancelled, half and half will get cancelled. So what we'll have? AD. AD is 7. We have to write 7 divided by. Then we have DC. DC. DC is 9. So 7 divided by 9 will be the answer. Okay. So this is the way we have solved the ratios of, or we have calculated the ratio of all these three pairs which is given in our example. Okay. So this is really very important. Now write down properly, and अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, so please do keep repeat this video. Okay, so because it is really very important one. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Okay, bye.